Field Control's Healthy Home System. The Field Control's FlexFilter is a convenient, compact, easily expandable, high-efficiency, whole-house cartridge-style air filter. The FlexFilter is an alternative replacement for over 40 name-brand filters in the market today. FlexFilter models Flex 1, 2, 3, and 4 are 2 filter sizes in one, and FlexFilter models Flex 5 through 7.5 are the only cost-effective replacement options for Aprilaire branded air cleaners. Replacing a home's air filter is part of a routine maintenance program. Maintaining the proper inventory of replacement filters is time-consuming and costly. There are multiple sizes, brands, and MERV-rated filters. You never have the right one on your truck or in stock. Boxy cartridge replacement filters are bulky and damage easily. Field Control's FlexFilter solves these issues. FlexFilter's compact, expandable design takes up very little space, and each unit is shrink-wrapped to reduce damage on the truck. A trash bag is also provided to cleanly dispose of that dirty, dusty old filter, so dust and dirt are not tracked through the homeowner's house. FlexFilter is simple to assemble and features high-efficiency MERV 11 media with very low pressure drop. The MERV 11 media captures allergy activators such as pollen, dust, mold spores, and pet dander. The FlexFilter is available in 9 models with color-coded graphics for easy replacement and cross-reference to all major air cleaner brands in the market today. Blue color-coded FlexFilters are direct replacements for Aprilaire. Red color-code FlexFilters replace Honeywell, Carrier, and Bryant. And green color-code FlexFilters are for Trion AirBear, GeneralAire Mac, Skuttle, and Ultravation filters. FlexFilter is a complete filter replacement system. Go to www.fieldcontrols.com/FlexFilter to learn more. Field Controls, for indoor air that is clean, pure, and fresh.